Countable and uncountable nouns. Noun is a word that names a person, place, or thing. They can be countable or uncountable. We use countable nouns for things that we can count. They usually have singular and plural form. For example, book, cat, house, and apple. On the other hand, we use uncountable nouns for things that we cannot count. They don't have plural form. For example, milk, cheese, and chocolate. Countable and uncountable nouns in sentences. For positive sentences in countable nouns, we use a or an before singular nouns. For example, I have a book. And we use some for plurals. For example, I have some peaches. In negative sentences, we use a or an before singular nouns, but we use any before plural. For example, there aren't any seeds. As for the uncountable nouns, we use some in positive sentences. For example, she needs some glue. He needs some milk. In negative sentences, we will be using any. For example, there isn't any milk. I don't want any bread. As for question sentences, we use a or an, any or how many for countable nouns, while we use any or how much for uncountable nouns. But when we are offering something, we normally use some. For example, do you want some chocolate? Alright, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.